Hello y'all, welcome back to Halo 3, and we are going to be continuing the Flood mission. Let's get started. How's everyone doing today, by the way? Okay.
The flood. It's spreading all over the city.
How do we contain it?
Find the crashed flood ship. Overload its engine core. We either destroy this city or risk losing the entire planet.
Do it.
Chief, make your way to the crash site.
Alright. Wow, this is a big fucking mess right here.
All squads, report.
Okay.
Multiple contacts. Unknown hostiles. There! Over there! We're surrounded, Sergeant!
Holy shit. Might gonna need this. Oh god.
Sergeant, come on!
Oh, what the fuck did he? Oh shit. Oh hell no. Oh, get away from me. You're fucking ugly.
Let us find their ship.
Oh, you already fucking
Make
know.
short work of this abomination.
This is not good. Where are we going? This way? That way. Hello? Oh, he's dead. Well, might as well kill him. Holy shit. This is not good at all. Hey. That's the healing. I'm glad I did bring this hammer, because we definitely needed it. Come on, you guys can't kill me. Little shit.
We won this fight.
Oh. Oh. I like how they move.
Rise up and I will kill you. Again and again.
They're fucking ugly. Is he down here? Oh, he's dead. Okay. Maybe I should have grabbed that flamethrower, but whatever. No Cortana. Right now.
I can't tell you that it's not safe. The grave line.
No.
It knows everything.
Stop. I'm trying to go, Cortana. I don't have time. Oh shit. How you doing?
The LT, the sergeant, they were all infected.
Okay, that guy's going nuts, so I'm just
I
gonna
can see it
continue.
crawling, sliding around beneath their skin.
Hail humans and take heed.
Holy
This is the
shit.
carrier, Shadow of Intent. Clear this sector while we deal
More
with the
allies! Good, we're gonna need more allies. Ooh. I'm gonna take this. Thank you very much.
High charity has fallen. Become a fretted hive. The fleet? Has quarantine been broken? This single ship broke through our line, and we gave chase. We had a fleet of hundreds. Alas, brother, the Flood. It has evolved.
Alright, let's go kick some ass. Oh, I didn't mean to kill him. Oh, that's a good guy. My bad. No, I'm good. I keep on pushing that button. Oh shit. Oh, we need to get the hell out of here. This is infested with flood. Get off me. Oh shit. Shit. Forgot they carry guns. Oh, hi. I didn't see you there. Hello. I keep on thinking. I'm so used to shooting Covenant and stuff that I keep on shooting my own allies here. Okay, where we go next? Oh, wrong way.
Chief, the elites are looking for something. We didn't believe them when they told us.
It's Cortana, Chief. She's on that ship. Fine. Get her up.
Search the ship for Cortana.
Hurry,
You
demon.
got it.
We seek the same prize. But our shipmaster will sacrifice all to stop the Flood.
Oh shit. Oop, my bad.
Hold your fire!
Oh my god, that is horrible. Okay. Oh. The fuck is that? That's an ugly motherfucker. Fuck you. And fuck you too. Oh, he's dead. Hey! Oh, he's dead.
I shall remain here. I will let nothing pass.
He had a great day. Looks like he's seen better days. He have seen better days. Hey, man.
Do not
Adley's dead
be
too.
afraid. I am peace. I
They're
am
not.
salvation.
I don't believe that. Oh.
I am a timeless chorus. Join your voice with mine.
No, go away, man.
And sing victory.
Your voice just makes it more
everlasting.
menacing. I wouldn't trust you. Cortana, are you there?
Chief,
Cortana?
High Charity, the Prophet's holy city is on...
Cortana.
Reclaimer. I must act quickly before your construct suffers any further
Wait.
trauma.
Leave her alone.
If we do not take this device to a safe location, somewhere I can make repairs.
On Halo, you tried to kill Cortana. You tried to kill me.
Protocol dictated my response. She had the activation index, and you were going to destroy my installation. You did destroy my installation. Now I have only one function, to help you, Reclaimer, as I always should have done.
Let's go. Well, that base is shit now.
Will it live, Oracle? Can it be saved?
Uncertain. This storage device has suffered considerable trauma. Its matrices are highly unstable.
Perhaps one of our technicians.
That will not be necessary.
Chief,
Success!
High Charity, the Prophet's holy city is on its way to Earth with an army of Flood. I can't tell you everything. It's not safe. The Gravemind, it knows I'm in the system.
It's just a message.
Let it play.
But it doesn't know about the portal, where it leads. On the other side, there's a solution, a way to stop the Flood, without firing the remaining Halo rings. Oh! Hurry, Chief. The Ark. There isn't much time.
I'm sorry.
No matter, Oracle. We've heard enough. Our fight is through the portal. With the brutes and the bastard truth.
Fine. We'll remain here. Hold out as long as we can.
Did you not hear? Your world is doomed. A Flood army. A Gravemind has you in its sights. You barely survived a small
Elites are badass, man.
And you, shipmaster, just glassed half a continent. Maybe the Flood isn't all I should be worried about.
One single flood spore can destroy a species. Were it not for the Arbiter's Council, I would have glassed your entire planet.
Sir, with respect, Cortana has a solution.
Cortana? Did you see her condition? How damaged she is? She could be corrupted for all we know. Her solution could be a Flood trap.
We should go through the portal. Find out for sure.
What we should do, Commander, is understand, clearly, that this is humanity's final stand. Here, at Earth. We go, we risk everything. Every last man, woman, and child. If we stand our ground, we might just have a chance.
No. If your construct is wrong, then the Flood is already won.
I'll find Cortana's solution. And I'll bring it back.
Earth is all we have left. You trust Cortana that much?
Sir. Yes, sir.
This is either the best decision you've ever made or the worst. Hell of it is, Chief. I doubt I'll live long enough to find out which.
Huh. I'm gonna be honest, never seen those type of elites before. ODST, let's go. I think it's cool how the Marines and the elites are working together now. Well, at least some of them. Fucking Chief is humongous. My fucking god. Oh, why? Well, I guess we're going to end it off right here, guys. So, hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!